Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting the Scarlet iOS app installation issues. Let's explore why you might encounter installation failures. There are several common reasons you might face difficulties when installing the app, such as device compatibility or network problems. First, ensure that your device meets the necessary compatibility requirements for the Scarlet app. Next, check to see if you have enough storage space available to accommodate the app installation. It's crucial to keep your iOS updated to the latest version as it can resolve many installation issues. Make sure your network connection is stable, as connectivity issues can prevent successful installations. If you're using a VPN or a third-party firewall, temporarily disable them, as they might interfere with the app installation. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve many issues, so restart your device to refresh system settings. Lastly, consider using alternate methods such as downloading directly from the App Store or using Test Flight if available. If you continue to face issues, visit our support page for more help. We hope this guide helps you install the Scarlet iOS app successfully.